guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Aranza Marife. If this is your first time tuning in, thanks so much for stopping by. And if you're a regular viewer, I guess, thanks for coming back. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about Easter and specifically Easter baskets. So every year I always have someone to put an Easter basket together. It used to be my cousins when they were little, and now I love to put Easter baskets together for my nieces and nephew. And this year I was hoping to be able to spend Easter with them, but because of self-distancing and quarantine, we won't be able to do that. Luckily, we have decided to drive to where they live in another town the Saturday before Easter and do a little Easter bunny drop off for them. So I am super excited, but before we did that, I wanted to go ahead and kind of show you and give you some ideas in case you're still kind of trying to figure out what to do for the little loved one in your life. So disclaimer before I continue, I got 95% of these items before we were ordered to stay at home. So a lot of this I have had for about a month. So before I get started on the actual items and the baskets, my theme, I usually try to pick a theme every year for their baskets, and this year did a lot of activities for them, and I kind of went overboard with the activities, but I'm sure their mom will appreciate them having things to keep them busy. Plus I did pick up quite a few bits of candy, which again, their mom will appreciate because she loves candy as well. I did want to show you guys their Easter baskets. I picked up these Easter baskets at Five Below. I believe Five Below is closed now, so I don't think that you can get them, but you can buy Easter baskets online. Target has pickup, so there are obviously still places to get Easter baskets. I loved these because they were $5. They are extremely high quality in my opinion. And then with my Cricut, I also included their names, plus a little like bunny peep. Once everything is put together, this is what they look like. The first thing I am going to mention is the grass. This is the grass from the Dollar Tree. I love the like the decorative shred from the Dollar Tree. I know that you can get for $1.97 some other colors and I think a slightly bigger bag from Walmart, but these work for me. I like them, so this is what I've got. Like I mentioned, a lot of the things that I got for them this year were activity based. I want them to be able to have fun things to do. So the first things we picked up are these puzzles. This one is a 48 piece and it is from the Dollar Tree. It's a Lion King one. This is for my nephew Anthony. And then this is a 24 piece for my niece Aaliyah. And then my other niece Natalie, her basket is actually already put together. So the next items I got are these like wooden silhouettes. This one for Aaliyah is a Jasmine, and then Anthony has a Spider-Man. I'm sure their mom has markers, though these do come with some markers, but I just never trust them. I also went ahead and purchased them these little notebooks. I think they're cute. They have little puns like just roll with it, and it's a sushi roll, and it's just something that they can practice writing or drawing. They're all very artistic and they love to create things, so I think that'll be great for them. And then I got them Smushy Mushy Creamy Dreamy Goo. Jonah is looking at me. Okay, so what this is, I believe, I found these at Walmart and I was like, oh, they're really cute. I believe there's like a squishy toy inside, and then the little like bottle looking thing is supposed to be like their house. I am interested to see what they are, so I'll probably ask them to send me a video when they start opening them, because I don't know what they are, but they're really cute and I thought they would go in really well with their baskets. Next thing I got were, and I pretty much bought these for the novelty of them being eggs, this Crayola dough eggs. So it's got I believe it's just basically like Play-Doh inside. but they were really cute. Came in pastel colors, and they came in the colors that each of them are getting. So I did go ahead and get them those. I got them these lip balms. I got one from Ryan's World for Anthony, and then I got Aaliyah a My Little Pony, and then Natalie, I got her a LOL doll because she really likes those. I also got them activity books. I got this one for Anthony. I did get this Anna book, coloring book for Aaliyah. I also got these play pack, just like little activities that come with a sticker, crayon pack, and just like activity booklet. I got Anthony one with the Avengers, and then Aaliyah one with My Little Pony. And you might wonder, does she like My Little Pony? I don't actually know. One thing that I really wanted to make sure that I got them were these canvases. You can get these at the Dollar Tree. They're $1 each, so not bad at all. And it's something that they can do and they can keep. Their mom can write on the back quarantine 2020 or whatever, and they can hang these in their room. And along with those, I also got them each one of these. I don't know if you can see it that well, but it is just this paint set with a little paintbrush with some colors. Again, their mom has pretty much everything they need, so I'm sure she has additional paints if they want additional paints. I just didn't want to give them a canvas and not give them paints, you know? So I believe that's all of like the activity type things that I got them. Now on to the candy aspect. I picked these up. They're basically M&Ms, like off-brand M&Ms. They don't have the M, and that's literally the only difference. But I picked them up, a blue for Anthony and a yellow for Aaliyah. And then I got them as well these large eggs. These are from Five Below, and I believe you can also find them at Walmart. And his is the Hulk because that is his favorite Avenger, and then Aaliyah's was Hatchimals. The next thing I got them were these gummy candy and games. I think the games are just the like connect the dots on the back, but they're little gummies, and they are Paw Patrol, the pink one for Aaliyah and the blue one for Anthony. One thing that I did get Aaliyah that I didn't get the other two is this unicorn horn twist pop. She loves unicorns. I got Anthony these colorful build your own Krabby Patty gummies, which I think he will enjoy. I also got each of them their own peeps in pink and blue. And then it's not an Easter basket without a chocolate bunny. So I got Aaliyah a milk chocolate, and then I got Anthony a chocolate peanut butter one. I got Sour Patch Kids, but I don't know who they go to. I got someone Sour Patch Kids. I'll figure it out when I put them together. And then I think the last thing I got them was the like Hubba Bubba bubble tape. They all love this stuff. They love gum for starters. And these were always some of my favorites when I was a kid. So I got the blue for Anthony and the yellow for Aaliyah. So that is everything that I purchased for their Easter baskets. There were a lot of other things that I actually wanted to purchase as well, but at this point their Easter baskets are going to be very full. So if you're interested in seeing what the finished product of all 3 Easter baskets is, keep watching. And there you have it. Here are our activity-based quarantine Easter baskets. If you made it this far in the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos, and I hope to see you guys again later days.